decided to check out the Koko Crater Botanical Gardens. We came just before spring, so there's not a lot in bloom right now. But nevertheless, it's still a nice little walk and hike, kid-friendly. Most of them haven't even bloomed yet. They don't even have leaves. Some do. Imagine coming here when they're all bloomed. Be really nice. So as you can see, none of this is paved. This is all rock, uneven ground. Hey, look who's back on my neck. Stop. Okay, I won't whistle. Sorry. You're gonna walk soon. Always making it harder on me. Come sit over here with me. Say hi. Hi, everyone. It's recording right now. Ah, no. So there's a couple behind me and one of them's wearing heels. Really? Ah, Rayden's taking the camera. You just hold it up to your face like this. Alright, we are back on the move. Oh, crazy. That's the dragon fruit cacti. It just kind of like slumped over the tree. Interesting. Oh, I'm gonna make an effort to try to get some drone shots. I don't want to get in trouble. And Rayden has the grip. That's part of the drawing. I'm gonna go back down there and get it. So if I get it, you'll see it here. If I don't, you know why. So there isn't much here for me to show you. I just thought I'd get you a couple of shots, maybe some drone shots. It's a small little walking trail. If you want to do a nice little morning walk before you get your day started, it's nice. Don't get me wrong. So if you want to check it out, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. And we're going to head back to the car. So let's get going. It's been a while since I took Rayden to a hike. Last one we went on was the Diamond Head hike, and I'll link that one somewhere up here. But that was our first hike together. I wouldn't say this is really a hike, but you know what? This is a trail. It's a nice trail. A little bit of an incline. Well, it's a constant incline. It's not heavy, but it'll definitely get you breathing hard enough. There's a security guard down the hill. I hope he doesn't say anything about me flying a drone, if he even noticed. Hopefully he was sleeping. Plumerias always smell amazing. That smells delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, right here is the only bathroom on this trail. Don't forget to use the potty before you come. You're welcome. Check out this plumeria. It has 6 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Standard, they usually have 5. So that's pretty cool. We found one with 6. All right. I hope you guys also enjoyed the Honolulu Festival. That was fun to film. We had a great time there. Thanks for watching, guys. Always have that aloha state of mind. I will see you guys on the next vlog. Well, we're on our way to the pineapple plantation, but unfortunately there's a fire in Wahiawa and they blocked all the roads. It's heading north right now and that's where we need to go. So next time